That, bro.
Yo, let's go.
Yo, I can't stand people stay lying, bro. You can't hit that, bro.
Let's go check. Let's go check.
Hey, there's a chicken right there. Hey, bro, there's a chicken. Yeah.
Yo, that chicken great lay eggs.
Yo.
I need some eggs.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Give me that egg, bro. Give me that egg.
Alright, I'm back. Why you steal my eggs?
Bro, they're my eggs, yo. They're our eggs, bro. I don't know what you talking about, yo.
Hey, bro, what you talking about? They are eggs.
Ugh. But just don't need to take our chicken to take our babies like that. Our eggs coming out, bro. Like, what are you talking about, bro? You know what? We decided. Let eat the chicken too, y'all. Let eat the chicken, y'all. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, freak the eggs. Freak the eggs, bro. We're gonna eat you.
Get over here, boy. I
think anybody talking about you, not me. I look like I look nasty.
I look too good.
Yeah. He look delicious, bro. Like he look delicious. Nah, we gonna eat both of you. We gonna eat both of you, yo.
Wait.
No. Come here.
Ah!
Come here. Yo, man, tripping, yo. Let's go.
Let's get out of here, yo.